Are you thinking about putting your home on the market and want to make sure you're getting the best return on your investment? I've got some tips for you. Hi, I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. I know selling homes is second nature to me as I have been doing this over a decade. I get nervous Nelly sellers all the time, and of course they should be, as it is a big deal if you're selling. Well, let's talk about curb appeal. It is important as it's the first impression that your buyers will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is rent a power washer or have someone come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off of your driveway, off of your sidewalk, and off your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open the lockbox, and this gives a chance to really look at your entryway while my buyers are waiting to get in. Take a moment to make sure that there's not any paint peeling off of the front doors or spider webs around the lights. Make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyers agents said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your home to your buyers. Also, researchers said that professional stage homes can sell as much as 10% more than the homes that are not staged. And the good news is, here at Homes by Sudie at Coldwell Banker Realty, I actually include professional staging as part of my service. Marketing is essential. You're gonna want to make sure to get professional photos done and professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. Professional photos and video is an absolute must when you're preparing your home for sale. And last, now your home is ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request any showing at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is in contract, it is important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice, if need be. A few things you can do is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to put your pets during showings, maybe family or a good friend to take care of them. And these tips will help your home sold faster and for the amount of that you deserve. For more information, call me. I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Keep it simple, keep it real.